Hi, today I'm with me Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open notification panel, and if you wanna here add some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon, and now we'll see here this down section with invisible icons. Just to add these options to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. So by this way we can add here all of these options if you want. Just to remove some of them from here, we should by the same way hold the icon and drag it to this down section with your finger. Just to save the to change the icons on the panel, to change their positions, we should just hold and drag the icons to the position where you want to change it, and just to save the changes we should go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.